This should give you an idea of what our adventure is today. Hey everyone, it is Cashew here, and it is Christmas season 2018, and I am in a very cold 37-degree Cleveland, Ohio, because our adventure today brings us to a Christmas story house. Yes, I am so excited. I think I peed a little. So without further ado, let our adventure begin. As you can imagine, this area is extremely busy. Everybody wanting to get a tour of the house for Christmas. And here is where director Bob Clark and Darren McGavin stood as they admired the old man's prestigious award from the street. For those of you unfamiliar with the Christmas story, it deals with a little boy named Ralph Parker, who with his little brother Randy anticipate Christmas. And all Ralphie wants for Christmas is a Red Ryder 200-shot range model air rifle with compass in the stock. And sadly, everybody thinks he'll shoot his eye out. His mom, his teacher, even Santa. But the old man, his dad, gives him the gun. And though he didn't put his eye out, he did break his glasses. Here's a nice inflatable of Ralphie wearing his aunt's Christmas present, the Pink Nightmare. And here's where the old man won the prestigious award, a leg lamp.
First time I came here, they didn't have one on the side. 3 years ago when I came back. I'd tell you the first time I came.
And here it is, the Red Ryder BB gun.
Yeah, go by the lamp. You must go by the lamp.
Come here.
It's a major award.
A big shiny ring with your own special first
And here's Randy and Ralphie's bedroom.
Papers trying to turn up.
Where they have the box there and the box house there.
C plus, you'll shoot your eye out, kid. And this room has actual period pieces. That's why it's chained off. And this is where Ralphie had his mouth washed out. Merry Christmas. And there's the sink Randy hid under, fearing the old man would kill Ralphie. And here we are in the backyard. This is the actual area that they filmed the Black Bart scene in the movie. Pretty cool. And the steel mill behind this fence is much the same as it was when they filmed the movie here in 1983. And here's the back door where the Bumpus's hounds crashed through to get the Christmas turkey. According to the tour guide, the dogs had not been fed for 3 days, so when they smelled the turkey, they would make a beeline for the meat and tear it apart. When they filmed the scene with the Bumpus's hounds, the dogs were so hungry they tore down the door, and they had to pay the owner an extra $2,000. And here's the back of the house, give you an idea of what it looked like back in the day. Gene Shepard and the director had found this house just by chance, and Gene had said this house looked just like his house from his childhood. And so a Christmas classic was made. Oh look, the old man won a major award. And you can get your own major award here as well. And you can become your own pink nightmare. You can get your own decoder pin, and be sure to drink your Ovaltine. Fragile. Must be Italian. Keep an eye on your Christmas dinner. It's the Bumpus's house. Other Christmas movies are represented in the gift shop as well. Christmas Vacation, Home Alone, Elf, even Nightmare Before Christmas. Our adventure has come to an end. Time to say goodbye to Ralphie. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It was a treat seeing the iconic house to my favorite Christmas movie. If you enjoyed it as well, give it a thumbs up. Also, smash that subscription button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, this is Cashew, signing off. If you'd like to spend the night in the Bumpus's house, without the dogs that is, you can do so